To use ChatGPT in the most efficient and productive way, here are some guidelines. Clearly define your goals. Before starting a conversation with ChatGPT, have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Define your problem or question, and outline the specific information or assistance you need. Ask specific questions. ChatGPT performs best when given specific questions or prompts. Instead of asking broad or vague queries, break down your questions into smaller, focused parts. This helps ChatGPT provide more accurate and relevant responses. Use system messages. You can guide the conversation by using system messages, which are messages starting with you and are not attributed to any specific user. System messages can provide context, ask the model to think step by step, or specify the format you want the answer in. They help in steering the conversation in the desired direction. Iterate and clarify. If the initial response from ChatGPT is not what you expected, or if you need more information, don't hesitate to iterate and clarify your question. Ask follow-up questions or provide additional context to help the model better understand your needs. Be mindful of context. Include relevant information and context in your conversation to help ChatGPT understand your specific situation. This can include background details, constraints, or any other factors that impact the question or problem you're discussing. Review and edit responses. ChatGPT generates responses based on patterns and examples it has learned from training data. It's important to review and critically evaluate the responses to ensure they are accurate and appropriate for your situation. Edit and modify the generated text as needed to align with your requirements. Experiment and refine. ChatGPT may not always provide perfect responses on the first try. Experiment with different phrasings, rephrase questions, or provide more explicit instructions in system messages. Refine your conversation iteratively to get the desired results. Stay aware of limitations. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it has limitations. It may generate plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. It's crucial to critically evaluate the responses and use common sense. Be cautious when dealing with sensitive or personal information, and avoid sharing confidential data. Learn from previous conversations. Save and refer back to previous conversations you've had with ChatGPT. This can help you build upon prior knowledge and maintain continuity in your interactions. Practice and provide feedback. Regularly using ChatGPT and providing feedback can help improve its performance over time. If you encounter mistakes, biases, or areas for improvement, share your feedback with OpenAI or the developers using the provided channels. Remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it should be used as an assistant and not as an absolute authority. Use critical thinking, verify information from reliable sources, and supplement ChatGPT's responses with human judgment when necessary.